right, we got a beautiful Sierra. This is a C-Class. This is a beauty. Outdoor kitchen, 4-season package, solid steps. But wait till you see this. Cream puff. This is a beauty. Guys, do y'all even use these trailers? Look at this thing. This is a beautiful trailer. 2 sofa sleepers, recliners. Look how nice. Look at the kitchen. All right, let's go check out the bedroom. I'm not even kidding. I'll take this. This is like buying. I'm not even gonna say it's brand new, but oh my gosh. What? What a beauty.